This is the legendary airline that we always joke about in Birmingham. No, it's a Beechcraft King Air that's coming. From Dublin. This is my second dash 6 recovery here. Nah, I didn't get away. This pausing, I think it's a stopped over here with its elevator down, and Iceland Max quickly comes. Wait, camera, don't. There's no bounce in there, I'm sure. We have a little replay again. Camera, don't. Please catch this. And that helicopter is hovering for the Corendon Max. It's inbound. This is 737 Max. We've got 4 737 Max. What's that? We have this chopper hovering. I'm not gonna dead now, and we'll catch this. Oh, he's just going landing like so. Why is he slowly moving towards here? Well, new airline for me, so I've got 2 new airlines and both from the Max. Don't. Camera, don't ruin this. Corendon, I just got a tail of him, but I hope it goes all good. Don't make me camera, you absolute idiot. PGDP. Mate, I've never seen such good skills. Sorry, there's someone behind me distracting me. Alright, oh, Jimmy has moved. What's the point of this guy? What is on a CHI topic? So this guy's not gonna lie, he's wasting my time. Well, not wasting my time, of course, but you get the metaphor, whatever you call it. What's he trying to do? Like, what is this guy trying to do? Is he trying to show off to us? Oh, now he's trying to go lower. It's not on the ground yet. Jimmy even came in while the standing takeoff. And meanwhile, our helicopter's now resting on the ground. What in the genuine effort is happening? Oh, that was beautiful. Vector Clanker. Is Clanker spelled with a C or a K? Yeah, what is the guy doing? Looking at ATR 42. GLMSA again. So this flag appears on our channel again and again. And I think if you press ATR 72, so you really get ATR 72s these days. This guy's replacing them. I remember the first time I saw GLMSA, I thought, this is weird, but now this is getting boring. I'd rather have the ATR 72 come. Just. Oh. I generally feel I would have witnessed the next helicopter crash or something. What on earth is this guy generally trying to do? What is trying to do? Well, at least he's going. That was very interesting. This is an airline seat house. I'm sure I'm glad to see this. Nowadays you don't see them that often. I don't know why. If we come around there. No, you idiot. You genuine idiot. He's done it. Mad fuel saving idiots. Well, this is beautiful noise. But in revenge, I'm not going to film your takeoff. No, I'm able to learn British Airways if that's coming. Oh, what's this type car? I have to change the flight. Butterfly. Can I film him? What one is this? Red Admiral, yeah, that's the Red Admiral. Butterfly. And I get him. No, that's not it. No, is it? Come. Yeah, well, he's went inside the car and fixed that, yeah? That's how it's actually there before. It just fallen and then they fixed it. But now there's this sign, which I'm not going to turn up because you can use my... So here he is, taxiing slowly. Well, here comes pilot wheeling attempt. No, I didn't see that. But come on, mate, this plane is so big. But I assume he's waiting because there's an Easyjet A319 inbound. Oh mate, we gotta look at his flaps. What's wrong with those flaps? Because I'm pretty sure only the If-21 slotted, so why does he have them? I don't know. Or does the If-21 have triple slotted? I don't know. There is an A319 coming, so I think he's waiting for him, which I can't actually see. Look at the grass. Nope. He is not waiting for that Easyjet A319. He is just going on. I don't know if you're going to see him. Not necessarily turn and burn, but he didn't stop on the runway. But he didn't go to full power either. hoping that I can be able to stay here long enough to see the 777, because I'm not sure. We might have to go after, and not after this, but you might have to go before it. So I'm praying that the 777 goes early. Right, here comes the A319. I just saw, so it's the blue and white security car. I just saw they just drove past. I mean, there he stopped. Well, not stopped, but... Do not use the intersection. Do not use the intersection. Yeah, I think he's using the intersection. He is using the intersection, which means you're not going to be able to see it. Another loss for me, I guess. Now I'm hoping is a killer and Bear does not do what he did. My camera went bonkers for a while. Why do I feel this is where we go round? Oh, that's just a butterfly. That was a peacock, I think. Oh, that's increased holy low, and holy high. Ooh. That was very interesting. But to me, this is another butterfly. I also saw an Apollo. Not Apollo, but it was like one of the cabbage white butterflies. That cabbage white. Another guy wants to do cauliflower and then cabbage white butterflies laid caterpillar eggs on it, and then the caterpillars ate all the cauliflower, which is very interesting. And my smile is going closer. He's gonna use the... Alhamdulillah. I don't try to be religious on this channel, but this is just so happy. And look how big those engines are in comparison to airfield. Of course, we're gonna get... Let's hope to hear a howl. Oh man, that was so good. That was like the last one. But now we have GSASD for Titty. Well, I guess pilot wave, even though the camera isn't fully catch this. Camera, please catch this. Not even away from the passengers. Damn, I must be getting forgotten. And we are jet 2737. It's coming. Oh, what's this? It's a Piper Cherokee. HCIF. Let's catch him land. And we have jet 277. Oh wait, am I going to catch a queue? I hope so. Do not go. I want to catch a queue. me, I was so close to catching one of my first ever queues. But, I mean, I did catch a queue back into summer, but I want to catch a really good one. Let's see. I'm 57%. Easyjet A320 Neo is on its roll. Meanwhile, Jet 277 is just stopped. I don't know who this is. I think that could be GSAG, but we do have a line at 737, which means that yes, are we finally gonna have a queue? I hope so, because GSAG is over. I think that's GSAG of Loganair going to somewhere. That is the taxi Loganair and ERJ, but it's a Jet 277, so we're gonna have a triple 737 tax. This is getting so exciting. Oh, Sally, I don't think you'll have like all of them in one frame, or are we? Very well to see. Let's do this. Let's do this. Are we gonna be able to get them all in one frame? Yes, we did. Haha. And it's focused on the Ryanair 777. We have the pilots the Ryanair 777. Man, look at them engines. Oh, holy man, a Ryanair 737 queue. No, I missed an opportunity to wave to pilots, so you would have seen me back then. Man, I feel this. Had my first queue for a long time. Man, but look how big the engines look on the 737 map. He's just waiting for a while. Both of them are waiting for a while, but they'd better like go because there is another inbound who I don't know who he is the inbound though. I guess I'll have to check on Friday that 24 later. Alright, here we're gonna go. Because that is the 400th Airbus livery, I think, of Easyjet. Do not know. Yeah, how much is my battery at? I wonder. Was there a recording there? I don't know. Easyjet, Ryanair. So this is too busy, but wow, it's literally with the planes that 400. Let me zoom in on that. I don't think you could see it, but I could see it. The squad Ryanair. Busiest I've seen Glasgow Airport in a long time. Yeah, what's wrong with my brightness? It's like suddenly like lower this brightness. Which means I can't see the planes properly on the screen. Meanwhile, the Easyjet is moving. I had to really quickly check the Easyjet who are landing, because otherwise then if you had this bit on off later we would have no, of course you got to check flight at 24 later, but just for safety at least I'd check now. Is this an A321 Neo? I have a feeling this is too long to be an A320 Neo. I have to check later because I have the feeling that this is an A321. This is nearly certainly an A321. I guess it. So I guess it's an A321. So let's go. Switch my sides to here. And he's up. Round. No, it isn't. Anything but a go round. Jackpot this time because he's going. This guy. Oh look, here comes Jesus. Yeah, Jesus has landed. We're on CLMSA. These ATR 42s are so loud, and the ATR sections as well. ATRs are so unbelievably loud. Ooh! Up elevator, up elevator, up elevator, down elevator, down elevator, down elevator. I just saw him move the elevator up. That's very interesting. Jesus, meanwhile, is still over. Left and right. What's he? Oh, now goes. Meanwhile, the next departure is in Iceland. I cut the video too short, didn't I? So that here's the longer way of the program. Which is good reason I have to run after to conserve even more heat and make more heat. Otherwise I'll freeze to death. The main focus is Iceland Air 737 helicopter. But there's an ambulance truck over. British get this Livery. Iceland 737 still waiting. Let's see this guy take off. And he might be the last departure because I think I'm just gonna go. Damage to town is going to get delayed too much. And of course, my family have lives, so I think we have to go. I'm gonna have to go, I think, right now. Whoops, stopped recording, but come on, mate, just take off. We don't have much time left.